This is dark web.
What's dark web?
Part of the internet where no one can track you.
It's all about drugs, illegal IDs, even assassination for hire.
That looked way too real.
I think that is real.
Guys, that's what they're trading.
Trade what?
All those videos.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Hold up, where's Lex?
Wait, that's Lex's building.
No,
You guys.
No. Is that Lex?
No. They found Lex. Can't they find the rest of us too?
Please, leave us alone! Get out of there right now!
Unfriended Dark Web 2018 is a horror film directed by Stephen Susko. The characters are Matthias by Colin Woodell, Amaya by Stephanie Nogueras, DJ Lex by Savira Windiani, Serena and Nari by Rebecca and Betty Gabriel, Damon by Andrew Lis, AJ by Connor Del Rio, Charon 4 by Douglas Tate, and the other Charons. Matthias, a young man developing a sign language app for his deaf girlfriend Amaya, comes across a mysterious laptop in an internet cafe. He starts using it for a group video chat game night with friends but discovers hidden files, including disturbing videos and Bitcoin wallets, linking to a sinister dark web collective. The original owners, a cyber criminal group known as the Charon, realize the laptop is missing and begins to systematically hunt down Matthias and his friends, using their online presence and personal lives against them to retrieve their property, leading to a brutal, real-time horror as the friends are trapped and targeted through their webcams. ICT trends represented in the movie include dark web and anonymity rules. The core premise revolves around accessing the dark web, a part of internet that requires specific software for access that is designed to conceal users' identities and locations. The film portrayed this as a place for illicit activities, including illegal trade, cybercrime as a service, and exchange of highly sensitive or illegal content. Deepfakes and digital manipulation. A crucial plot point involves the use of deepfake technology to frame one of the characters, AJ, for planning a terrorist attack, which leads to a swatting incident and his death. This highlights the emerging trend and danger of highly realistic synthetic media used to manipulate information and incite real-world harm. Illegal access or hacking. A central plot point involves the main character, Matthias, finding a laptop that has access to the dark web group files. The group then hacks into computers and accounts of Matthias and his friends. Surveillance and spying. The hackers utilize the laptop's camera and friends' webcams to spy on them. Identity theft and manipulation. The cybercriminals steal and manipulate the friends' digital identities to frame them for crimes, such as creating a deepfake video of a character planning a mass shooting. Swatting. The hackers use stolen information to initiate a swatting attack on one of the friends, AJ, leading to his death by the police. Extortion and blackmail. The group of friends is forced into a deadly game where they must follow the hackers' rules under the threat of their lives and their loved ones' lives being taken. Human trafficking and murder. The Charons are involved in the human trafficking and create snap films, which are stored on the laptop Matthias finds. Unfriended Dark Web teaches the internet is far less private than we think. Our devices and connection can be easily exploited. It warns against prying into dark web or using stolen digital goods, as curiosity can lead to life-threatening danger to both ourselves and the people we are connected to online. The film also emphasizes that malicious threats of the dark web are real, not just fiction, and that escaping digital targeting is often much harder than we expected.